Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW T-Roc SE. This car comes with a 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 42,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This colour is the Metallic Ravenna Blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in really good condition with an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has automatic headlights and wipers, climate control, the active cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, so this car will follow the car in front and brake accordingly. And then on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being a small SUV, the T-Roc's nice and practical, so you've got the nice raised driving position and also a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back there, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents and 2 charging ports in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is adjustable, so it's at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish. And below that, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights and the front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.